Everybody just gets the meat, you know?
You understand, people? So you're just gonna leave the skeleton in the middle, right?
Yeah, man.
And look, everyone, yeah, you have to use a super sharp knife to be doing this type of work, people, yeah? And as you can do, as what's happening there, Ronnie?
Fill it in again. Fill it again.
Yeah?
Fill it in some sea bass now.
All right. So, and what you're doing, you're scaling.
Just scaling it.
The head.
Yeah, cut the head off.
Take the head off. Okay.
And then you got to go above the bone, the main bone.
Yeah.
And just run the knife straight down.
Okay.
You can see the bone here.
Right.
The bone is your guide to fillet.
Yes.
Just follow the bone around.
Yes.
And you just
see there's some prawns here. They've got squid here, you understand? All the things there, people, yeah. They've got some blue crabs here as well, you understand? This is what's happening, people, yeah. We're in the fishmongers and we have a big up man like Ronnie, you understand? Quality fishmongers here in Croydon. And we're showing you, nice and simple, yeah, how he deals with the fish, people, yeah. Look at this. It's not a joke thing, it's a special art, special technique as well. What's that you're taking off the fish there, Ronnie?
It's just the fat of the fish, Ringo.
Once again. Right, everyone, so today what we're doing here, we're having a look at the salmon and we're looking at the special way on how to tell everyone what's happening, Ronnie.
I'm filleting the salmon, taking the bone out from there so everybody just gets the meat, you know?
You understand, people? So you're just going to leave the skeleton in the middle, right?
Yeah, man.
And look, everyone, yeah, you have to use a super sharp knife to be doing this type of work, people, yeah? And as you can see, that he's just slicing away the fleshy part of the salmon. And look, what he's got there is a fillet. And then what he's got there is a skeleton left over.
Just the bones.
Just the bones. And with the white stuff, what happens with that?
You just trim off the bit of the fat here.
Yeah.
And everything is ready to go.
Right.
You can use the fat for soup as well.
Well, you hear that, people?
Nice
So
bit of soup,
you can use the fat for soup, for some fish tea. You understand? Of good vibes. And these fillets now, what do you do with them afterwards, Ronnie?
Well, this is for a customer, this one, but normally we just sell it.
Okay.
As a whole fillet.
As a whole fillet?
Yeah, man.
Alright, and then that's the head there.
That's the head, that's the bone. You can use it for soup or tea or anything, man.
Alright, people, yeah. Quality fishmongers here in Croydon, just showing you the process of what happens. And then the next process now, look at that. Alright, so you see what I'm trying to say now, people, yeah? So after that now, what happens? It goes through a bagging stage. You understand? And after the bagging stage, people, yeah?
You bag it, wrap it, give the customer.
Bag it, wrap it, collect the money.
Yeah, man.
Customer goes happy.
Customer happy, they go home and eat good fish.
That is it, people, yeah? So look, right here in the fishmongers, let me show you the processing. Alright, that's the next processing there. Wrapping it. And what's the process of wrapping it in that type of paper there, Ronnie?
It's a grease-proof paper, grease-proof.
Okay.
So it doesn't like leak and stuff like that.
Right. You hear that, everybody say it's a grease-proof paper, yeah? To stop everything from leaking through, because fish is quite oily, isn't it?
Yeah, it's oily fish, especially salmon, very oily.
Yeah.
But it's good for you as well, omega-3 and stuff like that.
Alright,
Good
people,
for
yeah?
your body, man.
You hear that? That is it. And for two fillets like that, whole fillets, how much is that?
That costs £60 for the whole fish.
60 pounds?
£60, man.
Wow, you hear that, people, yeah? Out of that whole fish, yeah, it costs 60 pounds, and this is what's left. The skeleton, the head, and the fat. You understand, people, yeah? People, I'm here at Quality Fishmongers here in Croydon, people, yeah? And I'm just showing you the process of what actually happens here at the fishmongers, and a few cuttings, and a few slices, and a few scores. You understand, people, yeah? And here at Quality Fishmongers, they sell variations of freshwater fish, tropical fishes as well. What are the types of fishes that you're selling here, Ronnie?
We sell every fish in here. Any fish you need, fresh fish, just order it, we can bring it for you.
Okay.
Anything you want.
Tropical fish?
Tropical fish, English fish, anything, man.
Alright, people, yeah, so right here. I don't know. Adam, what's this? What kind of fish do you think that is?
Barracuda or something.
Barracuda?
Something like that. I don't know.
Barracuda. That's a barracuda, yeah?
God knows.
No, that's kingfish.
No. Oh,
Kingfish.
Kingfish.
Look on the map there.
Kingfish.
I'll tell you everything here.
Kingfish. All right, so we got the map here, people. Yeah. All right, our good vibes. sometimes it's good to know what you're buying and how it's prepared and how it's actually been looked after, people, yeah? Because remember, say food is something that's going into our stomachs. It's most important to know that it's been prepared in the right way, especially fish, you understand? It's coming out of the sea. It's not like meat that's here on the land. So it has to be preserved and prepared in a special kind of way, you understand? In a delicate kind of way. As you can see that everything's here and they're on ice to keep their preservative and keep their freshness, people, yeah? Yeah, man, at the fishmongers, we're back here. Look what Ronnie's getting up to right now. 1 second. What's happening there, Ronnie?
I'm filleting again. Fillet again.
Yeah?
I'm filleting some sea bass now.
All right. So, and what you're doing, you're scaling?
Just scaling it, getting it ready to fillet, and then I'll take out the skeleton again.
Is that a special thing that you use to scale the fishes?
This is technically, this is what they use to brush horses.
Horses?
They brush horses with this.
Okay.
So, but we can use it as a scale as well.
Okay, so the fishmongers actually buy this equipment to use as a scaler.
Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. You know, back home, yeah, when we're scaling fish, you know what we're using?
A knife.
A fork.
A fork?
A fork, yeah.
How
So,
do you use a fork?
because the fork has got the teeth, them in it, like 4 teeth and whatnot. So we just use a fork to grate the fish. But it's amazing to see the proper equipment that you can actually be here using. And this is how your fish has been prepared right here at Quality Fishmongers. It gets a scale, it gets a rinse down, people, yeah. You understand? And we've got Ronnie, which is like a specialist as well. He knows how to cut fish. He knows how to actually prepare it as well in the right manner, and he's gonna score it for us. Let's see the process here. So first of all, you're cutting the head.
Yeah, cut the head off.
Take the head off. Okay.
And then you got to go above the bone, the main bone,
Yeah.
and just run the knife straight down. You
Okay.
can see the bone here.
Right.
The bone is your guide to fillet.
Yes.
Just follow the bone around,
Yes.
and you just get the perfect fillet. Just
Wow.
like that.
Just like that.
No bone, ready to eat, go and cook it, that's it.
And then what you have here is the insides of the fish. This is just going to be thrown down into this bucket here.
Yeah. And you know what they use to make this?
Yeah.
Lipstick and makeup for women.
Say that again.
They use the fish guts, because the oil in it, for the lipstick and makeup and stuff for ladies.
You hear that, people, yeah? Fish guts and intestines and whatnot, yeah? Females! That's what you lot are creating your beauty, yeah, from the inside of the fish, people, yeah? Wow. You learn something new every day. That's the guts there that you guys are using for your lipstick and your makeup.
They're trying to make themselves look pretty.
Alright, so we've got some fillets here. So same process again, everybody?
Same process again, that's it.
Alright, so put in the comment section, everyone that's watching here today, people, yeah? What your favorite fish is. Big man, wagwan.
Yes, I'm there.
May I come check you to buy food place up the side now?
Alright.
Because you see this gentleman here, everyone. He's the first jerk man here on Surrey Street. Mark,
First chef in a flight.
first chef in Croydon. First Jamaican. Tell him South Jamaican as well. You have to represent. Yeah, yeah. First Jamaican chef. First Jamaican chef here in Croydon, people, yeah, big him up, you understand? He's been representing our community and our culture as well, you understand, for many, many decades now, people, yeah? So, yeah, man, big him up. A time for you to retire now and chill out too, you know?
Right?
A time for you to retire and chill out too, you know?
Man, I retire and walk 2 restaurants to the place, you know?
And that is it.
2, and then the son of come back to Jamaica and take them over.
That is it.
Alright? So
Alright, a good vibes, people. You hear that, yeah? Look out for the big man because he's represented. Alright? Big up George. Big up. Big up George. Yeah? A good vibes.
I got about 15 minutes, man. I'm on my own, bro. Sorry, George. Yeah.
George, look more, yeah? Alright. Yeah, you have to big up. Look, people, yeah, you see George? George has been on the market here selling Caribbean food, Jamaican food, yeah, from 30 years. First chef here in Croydon cooking this type of food, you understand? So we have to big up George, you understand? A good vibes, he's putting a lot of work in the community here, you understand? And he's fed thousands, if not maybe 1 million people already, you understand? So that is it. are good vibes. So look, the fillets them are here.
Sea bass fillet.
Sea back fillet. And it's gonna go through the same process again. So big up yourself, people. We're there with all the fishmongers and have good vibes. Let me know what your favorite fish is. Let me know what your favorite fish dish is. If you like fried fish, steamed fish, roast fish, jerk fish, you understand? Let me know if you're a seafood boil person, and let me know what kind of fish you'd like me to be cooking up, because differently from me doing the mission, and we're on the mission outside giving back to the local community and feeding the homeless, we've got some recipes to give to you guys as well coming up very shortly, people. Yeah, I got a whole load of recipes that I want to share with you guys, people. Yeah, so yeah man, we're there outside the fishmongers, our good vibes. I'm gonna get on with some mission right now, people. Yeah, and as you can see, there's some prawns here. They've got squid here, you understand? All heap of things there, people, yeah. They've got some blue crabs here as well, you understand? They've got some next crab over there, people, yeah. You understand? Whole heap of fish there, some of the fishmongers. Our good vibes, we're outside, we're fully active, and that is it. Big up Ronnie, you know, because Ronnie's a real G, he's been putting in a lot of work. And when Ronnie's got time as well, he also comes out and helps out with the homeless mission that I'm on as well, people, yeah. That is it, our good vibes. Yes, everybody, I just want to big up each and every one of you that's on the program right now, that's been following us on the journey, on the mission, people, yeah. So what's actually going to be happening now, I just want to introduce something new to the program, people, yeah. That's already been happening for a very long time, but we've got some recipes. We've got some menus that I want to give to you guys, yeah. So you might see me in one of my locations somewhere different from the market and somewhere different from the town centre, feeding the homeless. And that day we're outside, we might be in the forest, we might be somewhere rural, and we'll cook some food and we're going to be holding the vibes, people, yeah. And as the sun starts to get warm and come out and spring comes out with the flowers them and the atmosphere is nice and warm, I'm going to slowly give you guys the option as well to come out and come and eat a meal with Ringo Vision at a location somewhere outside. You understand? We're waiting for the weather to get better where you guys can hack it. But right now it's very, very cold out here. And as you can see that I'm out right now and I got my big jacket on. You understand? But the mission continues, people. Yeah, one love to each and every one of you that's on the program, that's been on the journey with us. The GoFundMe people, yeah, you guys have been absolutely amazing, supporting and sending through your donations, and people that have given us physical stuff to go with the kitchen in the sense of like cutleries, tissues, cups, plates, ingredients. One love to each and every one of you. And that GoFundMe helped us with our Christmas dinner. It's helped us with going to Bristol. It's helped us with going to Jaywick. You understand? And it's still helping to continue on the mission that we're on here right now. And we're planning right now. There's 71 countries, cities here in the UK, including Ireland and Scotland. And we're looking to tackle, if not all of them, at least the majority of them, people, yeah. So look out for it. We're on that mission here right now, people, yeah. And we have how much? 1 million people to feed, and our good vibes. That is it.